What up, guys? It is that time. The finale of Chainsaw Man. Episode 12. You know what the fuck going on? It's been a wild journey. A long ride. We appreciate Chainsaw Man. It's been goated. Top tier. Better than One Piece.
Okay.
Oh, it will be missed. It will be missed.
Yes, sir.
Let's get right into this shit. Let's get right into this.
The first and last cigarette I'll ever light.
Oh, you're not smoking one, shows up.
And the men.
You just seen the. We gotta show you the other video real quick.
Wait, you're a miner?
Oh, yeah.
Well, obviously smoking's out for you, duh.
What happened? Didn't show it?
Motherfucker, swole. Those veins. The girl's arm?
Yeah, I was about to say.
Yeah.
Hands a cigarette.
Oh, yeah.
True.
Oh my god. Why are you like spoiling, bro?
It's W predictions. I should write that.
Lazy revenge.
Can you make a contract with it?
I was thinking that.
He uses fear to see.
Oh, he has no fear.
Explaining that, you may know.
Well, you can feel that for sure, though. So, like swatted like a fly.
And that's its only way of,
I thought you were facing the other way. Oh, you're dead.
Jesus, all that blood.
Now she's ready to call back to Snake.
Gatorade.
Mmm.
That prime.
That blue raz. That yummy.
Oh,
shit.
How did she get in?
You felt no fear. No, wasn't detected. Even though she's scared of everything.
Gobini. Why stay with the Force when you could have left?
What the fuck is she saying? She's whispering hard as hell.
Because our bonuses are right around the corner.
Yay!
Nuts.
Respect.
Yeah.
You want that bag?
Yeah, me too. So subscribe. What the?
Ew, gross. Our mission is to capture him. Got it?
Oh, that's a capture.
Yeah, man, they can kill him.
Capture who?
The sword guy.
Oh.
Y'all know what time it is?
Oh, I know what time it is.
Turn out.
Hit that motherfucking change.
Time to lock in.
My back is yours to
Oh. Hey, you not protecting me.
have not bled. I am proud and beautiful.
Damn.
I guess he's just gonna 1v1 maybe.
Oh.
Oh shit.
He's dead as fuck.
Looking for your sideburns.
Whoa, hold on a sec. Let's you and I have a chat.
No.
Oh, no, we not chit chatting.
We're not here for chit
Based
chat.
on how you decide to play it. Don't you fucking lie! Just like you were always blowing smoke.
Come on, man. I need you to relax.
Alright, fine. Say that whole zombie scenario was the hard truth. They were still human at one point. And you killed them. Don't you feel the slightest shred of remorse?
Nah, I'm good.
Real.
You know, I've been put through the ringer too. I'll carve up your scrawny ass even more!
I'd like to see you try.
It's Tony's first time seeing him in his form, right?
Oh, yeah.
You can get them transformed though.
On my scrawny
Wait,
ass.
that guy does it too?
What happened?
Katana level.
Come on, Benji. Don't lose to this motherfucker again.
Damn.
Oh shit.
Oh, look at that animation, bro.
What's the reason that keeps you fighting?
I want to protect my new lifestyle.
Cities.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
So you've been living
Just
the good life with public
fucking
safety.
woman in general keeps him going.
It ain't all good. Have to put up with a nag and a brat.
I feel like Chainsaw's better than Katana, right?
Should be.
I like the way he uses it anyways, it's like the same way. But Chainsaw's.
And they're fucking moving. A blade.
Yeah.
Destroying.
But I guess no clean cuts.
Oh. Damn. Oh.
Fuck out of there, shorty.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh fuck.
Oh damn.
Fuck.
Oh.
No.
Again?
Dude, that move's bad starting now.
For real.
For real, bro. That shit OP as fuck.
Shit.
Did he slice through him?
Oh,
It's over.
shit.
Drink some blood and we're chilling, no?
Your last few breaths to
Can he drink his own blood?
killing Granddad.
I'm not sure.
I think I have to be
He's
someone
never
else.
done it.
I don't know, actually.
Oh.
Ooh. He did something.
He blocked the shit out of
Fuck
him.
your arm, bitch.
Slides off like butter.
Didn't
His
my
head?
granddad ever teach you to know when to quit?
Oh no.
Oh,
His mercy.
You put the dick in predictable. And went for my head like a dipshit.
How is bro just chilling, man?
Oh, there's no way.
You should know better than to trust what a hunter says.
fucking leg!
Sucker!
The IQ.
The IQ, yeah, I'm telling you, 200 IQ.
He
Who's that?
The guy. He got caught. That was his order.
Wait, what the fuck?
Shouldn't he be like sliced in half?
Yeah, I thought you
And
just
could
died.
heal.
Awake.
Huh?
Dude got stabbed in the head like a billion times, bro.
Who?
Really
Denji.
Oh, you're saying they fed him blood?
I'm guessing, yeah,
like
because
Katana out of your arm.
order was to catch
So
him.
your body's stuck right back together. Except it'll be like a contest. We'll take turns giving him the hardest nut shots we can. Whoever gets the
That's
loudest
what I'm talking about right there.
cops show up is the winner.
What kind of psycho are you?
What? You ain't gonna play?
Oh, it is nuts.
Our job is to catch this guy, and we're still on a mission.
Loki, it was easy. They packed him up quick.
Get revenge. Fuck him up.
What do I get if I'm the winner?
Yeah.
His family jewels would make for a nice prize.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they about to
yeah,
go crazy.
Really gonna do it, are you?
Get that shit back in blood.
The pros were there, so Monkey was watching.
Was Monkey with
Oh yeah.
Oh,
it's
bro,
back
right?
on top.
Yeah.
the powers, yeah. Forgot about that.
She should wear like a mask or something, no? And gloves.
Also, wait, tell you.
Oh yeah.
He may not.
He looks so happy.
Can you hear this up in heaven?
Oh my god.
Shit fucking. His stomach hurting right now.
To you.
Well, it's tasting his nuts right now.
During the stomach. And
You stop before you explain why that girl was after the chainsaw devil's heart.
Unfortunately, we lost our chance to ask.
Oh my god.
What the fuck? Really, bro? I thought you got over that.
Triggered automatically by some stipulation in her contract with a gun devil. Our piece at long last gravitated toward the main body.
It's finally time.
Finally, the size like a full bullet, probably.
Head to toe.
Oh my god, guys, it's over. Ah,
Now I really gotta watch it too.
ah.
Yeah, I
End
knew
credit
it.
scene?
I knew it. I just felt it.
They Marvel now?
there's someone they know.
The girl's gonna light it up. Like Shikamaru lighted up for Asuna. smoking on the I don't know the girl's name.
Himeno.
Not,
Himeno.
not Himeno, the girl that they took revenge on.
Oh.
You enjoying that shit?
Oh, he's gonna smoke on a pack of his old partner. Did long ago credit.
What the hell, bro?
Oh shit.
Oh.
The beginning.
Yeah.
The first episode.
When he was off the Zaw. Oh, wait, we don't even know if he's actually him, though.
Gold is the Gundo when he was a kid. No, it's not.
Oh, it's
And
the
Angie.
Angie. You could have seen it come though.
It's that same dream.
Huh?
Stop. Don't open that door no matter what.
You gotta wait for that door for the next season.
Damn,
Longest end credit scene in history.
Well, let's keep adding to it.
They didn't want it to end so bad. How about?
Either.
For real. Keep it going.
If you had to choose between the country mouse and the city mouse, which would you rather be?
New character? New character?
The
that runs
fuck?
Denji?
Was that the sister? The young sister?
I don't know. It
She
seems
had
like
the blue
she's
hair.
Denji. What do you guys think about Chainsaw Man as a whole, not just this last episode?
I'm so glad it's over, guys. Like, this shit was ass. Like, since the beginning. Like, nah, I'm fine. That shit was fire since the get-go. I already knew it was gonna be good. I heard so many talks about it before even, like, the anime even dropped. About the fucking manga being good as fuck.
Yeah.
So it was already building up hype to the fucking show.
It
So
lived up to the hype for sure.
I think it exceeded my expectations.
Me too. I'm not gonna
By
lie.
far, I don't know. I thought it was gonna be like One Punch Man or something.
You know, I could kind of see why you would get that vibe just from things like hearing about it.
Yeah. I thought it was gonna be like a One Punch Man type of thing, but it was way different.
Yeah, when you're serious and bloody. I guess that was part of the Dark Trio.
Yeah, it was good though. I like darker animes like that.
So I wonder when
What's
the next
the-
season's gonna come out.
it's gonna be
Next
a
year.
while.
Probably next year.
Nah, next year.
Next
They
year.
gotta keep them rolling out every year. They can't just wait. Like,
Yeah.
there's no way they wait. Like, if it, especially with like how popular it was when they came out, they can't just like I don't. There's no
How-
way
how
they
popular
like,
manga is
push it
too.
away.
I mean, One Punch Man was super popular and like the season hasn't come
Oh,
out in like
yeah, right.
5 years. Attack on Titan
I
season
was
2
about
took
to
like
say.
5 years to come out. There's some like crazy amount of years.
Yeah, I heard Roberto talking about it. Like, I think it was the second season. They were dragging to
Yeah.
drop the newest one.
You would just drag. They just don't care. They drop it whenever.
Well,
I mean,
hopefully they don't drag for this shit because this
Yeah.
shit was fire. And yeah,
yeah, hopefully we don't have to wait too long. What do you think about the finale though?
Not a lie, it was kind of anticlimactic.
Yeah, especially with the previous episodes.
Yeah.
Episodes, I think
Like,
8.
If
8
they
and
switch
9.
the fights, I think that would be better.
what
The fights, I think the last fight was anticlimactic.
compared to the first fight?
Yeah, compared to the first
with
one.
the same dude.
This fight was good as fuck. It was OP as hell. Like it looked amazing, but I feel like it was so short.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe the finale was. You could say a little rushed, but you can understand it because it's 12 episodes.
I feel like it's like a mid-season finale. You know, I mean, because we haven't really gotten to like the meats. Like,
That's what I
for the
thought. I thought
finale.
it was gonna be 24 episodes, but I guess not. You know, but
Yeah,
I was literally gonna say the same thing that I didn't want to fucking meat right it to the end because the last episode was, I'll be completely honest, it was anticlimactic.
yeah.
It was still good, but it's like I feel like I expected more from the fight.
It does seem like a 12 or 24 episode anime. Like this seems like a good 12 episode if you're gonna keep going with it, but
Yeah.
there's so much more to it.
So that girl at the end with the skinny ass legs and the Converse.
We have no idea what she
You
is.
guys don't know that.
Nah, I have no idea.
But
I
she
mean,
said, she said one of the dude's names.
She
though.
seems to
The
know
main
the
character's
main
name.
character. Yeah, she seems to know him. So
It sounded like the thing through the door a little bit, no? Am I tweaking? Or was that just Bojita?
that's what it said.
Yeah, what she done?
Yeah.
It sounded like fucking like
like a fucking Dean or something.
No, sure.
theories on who's the gun devil. You think we've seen the gun devil or no?
Nah, I don't think so. I think it's gonna be a completely new character.
Have you seen the gun devil in the manga?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, then. Don't say shit.
Yeah, I can't. That's why I stay quiet.
So you already know all this.
Well, I know. I remember bits and pieces throughout the manga, but like obviously they're not gonna take it exactly the same as the manga.
I don't think Makima is the Gundam or like, cause nothing like really hints to it, but
There's something
she's
about her
something.
because
She's something.
I feel like we watched all that shit and we got nothing out of her character at all.
Who?
Well,
Makima.
She kind of, I guess, a little bit. She still seems to care about like the majority of people, you know,
The
like,
population, but
yeah, of human life. Because she said she'll do anything evil necessary to keep the majority of people alive and well.
but she couldn't give a flying fuck about Denji or power.
Basically, yeah, that's why she took the eyes of the dudes' families just so they could do, like she said, a necessary evil to get what she wants done. Which, like, right now, all we know about her is that she wants to, you know, take care of people in a messed up way.
Still a lot of fucking questions.
Yeah, there is. It's a mystery. Even with other characters, too.
Yeah. From what I remember in the manga, get fucking high, bro. This shit's about to get crazy as fuck, bro.
When'd you read it?
I read it like a year, maybe like a year and a half. Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
You stopped reading when the anime was announced, right?
Yeah. Because I'd rather watch anime than read the manga. Well, that's for some, I guess, because there's animes that get made that don't do it justice to the manga.
Yeah.
So I'm happy so far. This shit is pretty good. And Blue Lock too.
Blue Lock.
Can't wait for season 2. Or
Yeah.
the movie. Or the movie.
Oh my god, guys.
Coming
Leave
soon.
a thumbs up and we should react to Blue Lock.
When it comes out.
We'll react to it anyway.
Season 2 or the
But-
movie, because all of us already watched season 1.
I mean, I already watched the shit, but now we're not gonna make a reaction for that
Yeah,
shit.
we're not doing that.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's it. Final episode of Chainsaw Man. Really good series. Arguably top 3. Arguably.
Top 3 what?
Top 3 what? In your list?
We'll leave it at that. Anyway,
Not my top. That's
Not my top
top.
3. Not my top 3.
Let us know if that's in your top 3, bro. Let us know if that's in your
animation
top
wise, top 3 animation. At the top 3 like scenery.
Clean as fuck.
3. That's
The way it
acceptable. I would
looks-
say that's acceptable.
Top 3 of the best I've ever like visually appealing anime. That and I'll go with Demon Slayer. Those are 2 out the top of my head.
So you're saying top 3 animation,
Top 3 animation. It has to be.
not top 3 the
I
other.
don't know.
Not top 3 animes in general. No way. No way. No.
I don't know why I would put it up there in animation like that because just a lot of the CGI that they had.
I didn't CGI fit.
It looked awkward a lot of times with Denji's chainsaw man, and also anything that was big like the snake. That should look weird. But that's like with almost any anime they use the CGI.
Yeah, I didn't mind it.
It wasn't that big of a
Yeah.
deal as it usually. I fucking hate CGI. It wasn't that big of a deal.
I didn't mind it, but that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in another reaction video later.
Season 1, Chainsaw Man, over.
We done. We done.
Hey, first series done. Oh wait, actually no. We're gonna continue the series.
Yeah, but first,
Season
Like-
First season done.
First season done.
Hey.